How to check Amazon refund balance. Let's not waste any more time and head to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now heading to the video, first you open the Amazon app. Once you open the app, on the bottom right you'll find a menu option. Click on the menu and then click on accounts. Once you click on accounts, you have to scroll down, and under Amazon Pay you'll find an option of view Amazon Pay balance statement. Here it shows all the current orders I had, it shows refunds, it shows cashbacks, and in the refund option you will be able, currently I have no refund transactions. This is where you'll be able to check all the refund balances that is there in your Amazon account. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.